Your challenge? To produce a series product in plastic with movable parts, inner structures, undercuts, and serial numbering. EOS has the right solutions for you. Direct part. Without any additional steps, you can manufacture complete, ready-to-use products with the laser sintering system EOS P directly from electronic data. Innovative laser sintering technology creates the desired product using powder-based high-grade plastics and laser energy. In only a few hours, economical, mechanically resilient plastic parts emerge with fully functioning hinges if required. This is EOS P, the perfect system for the direct production of plastic parts. Direct Tool. With EOS M, the worldwide leading system for the direct laser sintering of metal, you can produce tools, for example, for use in an injection molding process. Thus, you can achieve batch production of the end product in the original material. The freedom of design is almost unlimited. Whether it is the bent lever built with the direct part process, or the fan wheel using the direct tool process. E-manufacturing solutions from EOS. Fast, flexible, and cost-effective production directly from electronic data. Think the impossible. You can get it.